Hello friends, I am Reena. These are my friends Tina and Leena. We are going to discuss here two topics: power generation plant based on energy of natural gas and electric energy generation and environment. So let's begin.
Now this is the first topic, that is power generation plant based on energy of natural gas. As we have already studied that the nuclear power plant and the thermal energy power plant, they use the steam turbine. In the same manner, the turbine which is used in the power generation plant based on the energy of natural gas, it is a gas turbine, and a gas at a very high temperature and pressure, it is generated by the combustion of natural gas.
But I have a doubt here. What is natural gas? Natural gas is a gas which contains mainly methane, that is 87% methane by volume, and other hydrocarbons are also present. It contains mixture of other gases like carbon dioxide, water vapor and nitrogen. It is a gas which is found near petroleum deposits.
Thanks, Lena. That was a very good piece of information. And now let's proceed on to the power generation plant based on energy of natural gas. So this power generation plant based on energy of natural gas can be divided into three main sections. These are combustion chamber, gas turbine and generator. A combustion chamber, it is used for combustion of natural gas, and here compressed air or pressurized air is blown into the combustion chamber with the help of compressor. This natural gas, it burns in the presence of air, and the gas which is at a very high temperature and pressure, it rotates the turbine due to the high kinetic energy, and the turbine it rotates. This turbine, it is then attached to the generator which produces electricity.
Figure 5.12 shows arrangement in power plant based on energy of natural gas. Here a natural gas and compressed air with the help of compressor, that is pressurized air, these are blown into a combustion chamber, and the fuel which is natural gas, it undergoes combustion here, and this combustion of natural gas, it generates a natural gas at a very high temperature and pressure, and this gas which has a very high temperature and pressure, it is used to rotate the gas turbine. This gas turbine, which is in turn attached to a generator, generates electricity. Figure 5.13 shows transformation of energy in power plant using energy of natural gas. Here, chemical energy in natural gas, it is converted into kinetic energy, and this kinetic energy is generated due to combustion of natural gas. This kinetic energy in natural gas, it is used to rotate the turbine. This turbine is in turn attached to the electric generator, and in this manner electrical energy it is generated. But I have a doubt here. What about the efficiency of this type of power generation plant?
Yes, of course. The energy of this power plant, that is a power plant which uses natural gas as an energy source, it is higher than the power plant which uses coal as an energy source. Secondly, this natural gas, it does not contain sulphur, and therefore burning of natural gas results in less pollution.
Thank you, Leena, for the point-wise answer which you have given here. And now, let's proceed to the second topic, that is electric energy generation and environment. Now, on to Leena.
Thank you, Tina. Now here I am with the topic electric energy generation and environment. As we have already studied that there are three types of power stations which we have studied here. First, the power station which uses coal as an energy source. Secondly, the power station which uses nuclear fuel, that is uranium and plutonium as an energy source. And thirdly, the power station which uses natural gas as an energy source. I have marked a few points here related to the topic electric energy generation and environment. A point to be remembered here is that coal and natural gas, these are fossil fuels, and these fossil fuels cause environmental hazards or environmental pollution, environmental degradation. And here there is a web diagram which shows how coal or natural gas on combustion release different types of gases, and these gases cause harm to the environment. Combustion of fossil fuels like coal, diesel, petrol also lead to emission of nitrogen dioxide gas, and this nitrogen dioxide gas leads to acid rains. In short, to summarize here, there are two main disadvantages of using fossil fuels in power stations. First, these fossil fuels cause air pollution and environmental degradation. Secondly, fossil fuels like coal, crude oil, natural gas, liquefied petroleum gas, compressed natural gas, that is LPG and CNG, these are limited sources of energy and they are going to deplete in the near future. The power stations which use nuclear energy as an energy source also have their own limitations or disadvantages. First, the disposal of nuclear waste here, it is a very challenging problem to the scientific world. And secondly, disasters or accidents which are caused in the nuclear power stations, they have a long-term effects on the environment, as these are the radioactive nuclei which generate harmful radiations and they are very harmful to the environment.
Oh yes, this means that the energy generation from fossil fuels and nuclear fuels, it is not environment friendly?
Yes, therefore, we should use these energy sources very wisely or prudentially. In short, we should use the available energy sources very prudentially or wisely, and then we should go on to find out alternative sources of energy which are environment friendly sources of energy.
These environment friendly sources are energy obtained from water reservoir, wind, sunlight and biofuels.
When energy sources used for electricity generation do not cause environmental problems and are never ending, that is perpetual energy sources, they are termed as green energy.
From the next session onwards, our discussion will be focused on the green energy sources, that is water reservoir, wind, sunlight and biofuels. This is all for today. Now have a good day.